Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today's video is sponsored by Mevo, the innovative live streaming camera that's gonna change this live streaming world. But we're gonna talk about the camera later because we are going to cook some delicious garlic shrimp. Oh yes, that I had in Hawaii. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to share this recreation of my version of garlic shrimp. It's so delicious. Oh, and by the way, today's Asian at Home, it's a little mixed up with little, like a behind the scene and everything. So it's gonna be really special episode. So I have one bulb of garlic that I just separate them, and I didn't peel them like completely. I would say half skin off and half skin on, because I want that little bit of skin on for my garlic shrimp, because the garlic skin, whenever they fried up, they are nice and crispy. It's really nice texture. So here's my pestle and mortar. I'm going to add all this garlic and then pounding it up. All right, my garlic is good to go. I'm just gonna scrape this off and turn on my large skillet over low to medium low heat. Then gonna add 3 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and let the butter melt down. Then scrape all this pounded garlic into the pan. We are going to cook this garlic low and slow until they are nice and crispy and golden brown. It won't take that long, only a few minutes. Some of you guys probably know, but I've been doing weekly live every Wednesday on Facebook, and I love doing live because it's such a raw connection with you. I get to reply right away, like immediately on your question, for your comments, and I get to give you a shout out, and we have like a live conversation all together. It's so amazing. The Mevo has been the game changer, okay? Without hiring another professional person or purchasing crazy expensive professional cameras and tools, it let me have all this professional look, quality live streaming with you guys, which is like A+ for me. And it's so easy to use, even Jacob can use it, okay? There's nothing like it in the market, trust me. I am tech savvy, 8 years old with doing YouTube. You can ask anything and everything about creating the video, what kind of camera, microphone, light that you need to use. Trust me, I have a bunch to talk about. So constantly stir the garlic so they will evenly brown up. And before they get too dark, we want to take them out, because after they come out from the pan, they will still continuously cooking for a couple minutes. All right, now I'm going to increase the heat to high and then add about 2 pounds of shrimp. And quickly, we are going to make the sauce for the shrimp. So in a mixing bowl, I'm gonna combine 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of palm sugar. And now I'm gonna pour the sauce mixture over the shrimp. Ooh, just give a stir. While the shrimp is cooking, I'm gonna cut up some green onion. I travel a lot, and when I'm traveling, I always wanted to do the live out there, but then just with the phone, it's just not enough angles and different variety enough. Now with Mevo, it's perfect because I can do live in Korea, like live in Korea live. How amazing is that? And that's possible because Mevo is very versatile, that it can perform with Wi-Fi or LTE. You can go anywhere in the world. Perfect. I think my shrimp is about to done. So now I'm gonna turn off the heat and add chopped green onion. And if you want to, and you're like me, you like a little spicy in your food, go ahead and add some chopped red chili. One thing I forgot, lots of black pepper. I was going to serve on a really nice plate as I always do, but just looking at it, it looks so rustic and I love it so much, so I'm just gonna serve it like this. I'm gonna grab my lime. You know what? In Hawaii, they use lemon, so I'm just gonna use lemon. Why not? Oh shoot, I almost forgot my fried garlic. Dude, don't forget, this is garlic shrimp. And just stir one more time, look at that. With the fried garlic, the look is totally changed. I should have left a little crispy garlic for later, but Turi just put it on top, but it's all good. Now squeeze all this lime lemon. It's like as much as lemon you like with your shrimp. All right, guys, this is it. Look at my garlic shrimp, my recreation of Hawaiian it.
I honestly don't know if I was more excited about playing with the Mevo editing part of it or trying to shrimp. It's the first time I'm like, my mouth isn't watering. I've been having more fun.
So this was really fun. So you can control the Mevo on your phone just like this. Like I tap this and they film this, and I tap my face, they film my face, I tap Jacob's face.
And it moves.
So it's really cool. I just loved it. Like Jacob had so much fun.
Really cool because it's like literally all of the different shots and angles. I can like push a button and it zoomed in on this one or focus on this one, or it followed your face. It was really, really cool. It was like literally being in like that studio control room, but the whole thing is like the size of you could just put it in your pocket.
It's so tiny. That's why I said like I'm gonna bring it to Asian countries next time I
it'd be so good
travel. Yeah, it's so awesome.
Oh.
So you feel like you're like a professional TV producer?
In training.
I actually sprinkled some fried shallot from store that I just had it. So since I forgot, leave some fried garlic for the garnish later. So make sure you do that, okay?
You gotta get a little messy with this one. That sauce would be really good on some rice too.
Yeah. Usually in Hawaii, garlic shrimp is coming with the rice, cooked rice. A lot of you guys are obviously watching my videos, but I know a lot of you guys are creators as well. Because I get so many messages and emails like, how do you start a food blogger, or how do you film your videos and stuff? Guys, if you're interested in doing live is the future. Let me tell you, live is the future content right now. If you wanna be like top of the game, buy Mevo, and I will put the link down below where you can purchase plus $50 off coupon. You're welcome. If you liked my garlic shrimp recipe, please give me a thumbs up. And also, if you liked the little behind the scene of Asian at home, give us thumbs up. Jacob worked really, really hard. And subscribe my channel for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching us today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung longest, Jacob longest. And this is Asian at home. And we will see you next time. Bye guys. Mwah.